Chapter 5, Part 8. If you go in the back, you go the first part is called negligent misrepresentation. Right? Negligent misrepresentation. Basically mean if I tell you, I'm gonna make you a realtor in 1 week. In 1 week, and you have not done the LPI even. You haven't done the grade 12 even, right? And then, so can you sue me? Yes, you can sue me. Whether I say on TV, whether I say verbally, whether I write it, right? It's impossible to be a realtor in 1 week if you have not qualified for a language, right? You have not done your assignments, and then you can successfully sue me. In order to sue me successfully, what do you need? What do you need? If you read the number 1, it says to Supreme Court of Canada, following requirement must be met in order to be liable for negligent misrepresentation. Number 1, untrue statement must be made. So I have made a false statement that I'm going to make you realtor in 1 week. Number 2, untrue statement must be made negligently, and I don't care. I'm just making a statement carelessly. Right? If you call a realtor and simply ask him, how big is the lot? And the realtor says from 10,000 to 20,000 square feet. And based on a statement you buy a home, but the lot is only 6,000 square feet. So what was that? It was a careless statement, false statement made. Right? And the third thing, there must be a special relationship. Highlight the word special relationship. So special relationship means if I make this statement to my friend, it doesn't make any difference. But if I make this statement to my client, to my principal, being a realtor, so it makes a difference. If both of you are making a statement, it means nothing. But if a doctor makes this statement to his patient, right? So the patient can sue the doctor. If the lawyer makes this statement to his client, and the client can sue the lawyer. Okay? So remember the keyword special relationship. And then number 4, there must be reliance, mean dependence. So basically, if I say I'm going to make you realtor in 1 week, based on that, you come to me, you register, you pay me $1,200, right? And now you can sue me, right? Whether it's written or verbal or in writing, whether it's in the newspaper. Okay? So 4 things need to be proven. So now you tell me which is number 1, Diana?
Untrue statement.
Yes. And which is number 2 to it?
Untrue statement must be made negligently.
Carelessly, right? And then number 3, what about chat?
Special relationship.
Special relationship, right? And what about next? Yeah.
Reliance.
Reliance. So you need to remember only 4 things, right? Only 4 key things, right? False statement, carelessly, special relationship, and reliance. Give you 1 mark, right? And then based on that you can do the questions. So if you go back, right? If you go back and the question number 1, right? Question number 1. And question number 1, I have written all the related questions, right? Right? All the related questions. It's a 2, 5, 18, 19, 20, right? If I read number 1, in order for a salesperson to be liable for a negligent misrepresentation. So you can highlight negligent misrepresentation. Certain facts must be proven. Which of the following is not a requirement? So highlight not. For establishing a claim based upon negligent misrepresentation, right? So basically, so now you just go back, just put a search into your own CPU. So and you think of those four keywords. Which are those 4 keywords? False statement, carelessly, reliance, and special relationship. What we are looking here is a not, right? So if you read the number one, contractual relationship must exist. Is that right?
Yeah. No.
No, you don't need a contractual relationship, right?
Yeah.
The statement may be either one of the fact or an opinion given by the salesperson.
Yes.
Yeah.
Third, the statement must be reasonably relied upon. So highlight the
Yes.
word relied, mean reliance.
Reliance.
So that's true, right?
Maybe chapter.
Yeah. And the number four, the salesperson must make no clear disclaimer. So highlight no clear disclaimer mean statement denying responsibility for something. Basically carelessly, right? You are not giving a straightforward answer, right? If somebody asking you, right? So you're just disclaiming, right? If somebody asks you how big is you don't know. You're just telling this story hither and the other story, right? Right? So which one should be number
One.
one? So what should be special relationship, not contractual. So circle contractual, right? They should be special. Okay. So what now what you're gonna need to do now this one, right? Because this class will be short today. What you're gonna do is you're gonna use your own CPU to figure out the answer for all other questions. Do you understand, right? All other questions like a 2, 5, 18, 19, right? I've given you the recipe for that. 4 keywords, right? Okay. So what we're gonna do is now, based on this, we're gonna do the question. Okay. So that's it for this part.